kids, welcome to today's maths class and today we'll do fractions. Fractions means a part of whole. किसी एक पूरी चीज का कोई एक part that is called fraction. Objective of learning in this chapter to understand the fraction, to compare, add and subtract the fraction. तो ये हम इस chapter में सीखेंगे. First we'll start with the warm up. A fraction is a number that stands for the part of whole. When the whole is divided into equal part, जब किसी एक whole यानी किसी पूरी चीज को equal part में divide करते हैं तो each part is called a fraction. What whole means? One complete object. Whole means complete object, region or a set of object. Divide a pizza into 4 equal part. Take away one part. उसमें से एक part लेंगे, so fraction of the taken part will be 1/4. Total 4 equal part. After that we have taken 1. So fraction of the part taken away, that is equals to number of the part taken away, total number upon total number of part. 1/2. When a whole object is divided into 2 equal part, each part is called 1/2. जब किसी complete object को, whole object को हम 2 equal part में divide करते हैं तो each part किसको represent करेगा? 1/2. Clear? And 1/2 make 1 complete यानी 1 whole. 1/2 is read as 1/2 or 1/2 or 1/2. Facts. A fraction of an object is always smaller than the whole object. हमेशा जो fraction होगा वो whole object से कम होगा. Look at the collection of orange given below. Here are 8 oranges given. The dotted line divide the collection into 2 equal parts. Total 8 orange है. ये जो डॉटेड लाइन है ये क्या करती है? इसको 2 इक्वल हाफ में डिवाइड करती है. क्लियर? सो टोटल 8 ऑरेंज थे, 1 पार्ट में मीन्स 1 हाफ में कितने होंगे? 4 ऑरेंजेस. सो देयर आर 4 ऑरेंजेस इन ईच स्मॉल कलेक्शन. सो 1/2 ऑफ द होल कलेक्शन 8 ऑरेंजेस हैज 4 ऑरेंजेस. सो 1/2 ऑफ 8 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 4. 2 4s are 8. 4 into 1 4. Clear? Next is 1/3. When a whole object is divided into 3 equal parts, each part will represent 1/3. So here a whole is divided into 3 equal parts, each part represent 1/3. So इसको अगर हम add करेंगे together, so it will make a whole. So 1/3 हम इसको कैसे read कर सकते हैं? 1/3 read कर सकते हैं, 1/3 और 1/3. In a chocolate. So here you can see this is a chocolate. One of the 3 part. So 3 equal part है. Each part किसको represent करेगा? 1/3. And जो बाकी का है that is 2/3 part. Clear? Next 1/4 or quarter. When a whole object is divided into 4 equal part, then each part is called 1/4 or the quarter. Clear? So यहाँ पे एक पूरे को हमने whole को 4 equal part में divide किया है. So each part will represent 1/4 of 1/4. 1/4 4 1/4 को मिलाएंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? 1 whole. So 1/4 is written as 1/4. 1/4 is also called quarter. 1/4 is read as 1/4, 1/4 or 1/4. In a cake. So here a cake. It divided into 4 equal part. So one part will represent 1/4 या 1/4. और बाकी की जो 3 है that will represent 3/4. Clear? So 1/2, 1/3, 2/3, 1/4, 3/4. All these are called the fractional numbers or the fraction. Next is numerator and denominator. A fraction has 3 parts. The division line, जो बीच में line होती है, जो division line के ऊपर का part है, the upper part is called numerator and the lower part is known as denominator. In 1/4, the numeral 1 above the division line that is known as numerator. That tells us how many of the part have been taken away. Clear? So the numeral 1 is called numerator. The number 4 that is below the division bar, that tells us how many equal part the whole have been divided. So this part is called the denominator. Facts. If the numerator is 0, then the fraction is 0. अगर numerator 0 है तो fraction 0 होगा. there cannot be any fraction with 0 as the denominator. The whole number can be written as the fraction with the 1 as the denominator. When the numerator and the denominator are the same, then it is whole number. Like numerator भी 4 है, denominator भी 4 है, तो क्या हो गया? That is equals to 1, that makes 1 whole. Next is exercise 8A. Color the shape that indicate by the fraction. So first is 1 by 2. 2 equal part है. Out of that we can color any one part. So that will represent 1 by 2. Clear? So according to given fraction you will color the part. So you will practice all the question given here. Next is comparison of fractions. First we will take like fraction. What are like fraction? The fraction with the same denominator, they are called like fractions. So here you can see 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 5 by 8, all are like fraction because their denominator is same. Next is unlike fractions. Fraction with the different denominator are called unlike fractions, like 1 by 5, 3 by 8, 4 by 9, 2 by 15, 7 by 20. सबका जो denominator है that is different. So they are unlike fraction. If two fractions have the same denominator, then the fraction which have the smaller numerator is smaller and other is vice versa. Means अगर दो fraction जिनका denominator same है, तो will compare the numerator. जिसका भी numerator smaller होगा that will be smaller और जिसका greater होगा that will be greater. If two fraction have the same numerator, अगर numerator same है, then we'll compare the denominator. The fraction with a greater denominator will be smaller और जिसका smaller होगा वो क्या होगा? Greater. Next is exercise 8B. Circle the like fraction among the following. So like fractions कौन से हो जाएंगे? That means denominators should be same. So 1 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 3 by 9. All these are like fractions. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is addition of like fraction. So when we add the fraction with the same denominator, the numerator are added and the denominator remain the same. So simply हम क्या करेंगे? Numerator को add करेंगे, उसके नीचे common denominator जो भी है उसको लिख देंगे. So sum of two like fraction that is equals to sum of numerator upon common denominator. We'll take an example here. Add 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. So 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. They are like fraction, denominator same. So simply हम क्या करेंगे? 2 plus 1. Numerator को add कर देंगे, common denominator that is 5. We'll write here. So that is equals to 2 plus 1, 3 by 5. Next is subtraction of like fraction. When we subtract the fraction with the same denominator, the numerator are subtracted and the denominator remain the same. So the difference of two fraction having the same denominator, that is equals to the difference of numerator upon the common denominator. Example लेते हैं. We have to subtract 2 by 5 from 3 by 5. 3 by 5 में से हमें 2 by 5 subtract करना है. So we'll write 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Again they are like fraction, denominator same है, तो हम numerator का difference निकालेंगे. 3 minus 2 upon 5 that is 1 by 5. Next is exercise 8C. Find the sum. 5 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Like fraction, so simply हम क्या करेंगे? Numerator को add कर देंगे. So that is equals to 7 by 8. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is word problems. Shivani planted flowers in 2 by 9 portion of her garden. Her sister Seema helped her and planted flower in 5 by 9 portion of the garden. In how much portion of the garden did they both plant flower? तो शिवानी ने 2 by 9 portion में किया है and उसके सिस्टर ने 5 by 9 में. टोटल कितना किया? दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. शिवानी का पार्ट हो जाएगा 2 by 9 एंड सीमा का हो जाएगा 5 by 9. दोनों का टोटल क्या हो जाएगा? 2 by 9 plus 5 by 9. So that is equals to 2 plus 5 by 9, 7 by 9. So they both planted 7 by 9 portion of the garden. So you'll practice all the examples. Next we'll do exercise 8D. At the Chapati, the girl won 3/7 of the game played and boys won 2/7 of the game played. How many games did they win in all? मीन्स टोटल कितना है, दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. जितना गर्ल्स ने किया है 3/7 प्लस बॉयज का है 2/7. Add them together. So 3 plus 2 that is 5. So आंसर क्या हो जाएगा 5/7. Clear? So total हो जाएगा 5/7. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको समझ में आ गया है. Now you to practice it.